Hi, Mark Leibman here with another episode of Clients. You know what I'm talking about. Today, do-it-yourself and dangerous doors. We love the spirit of DIYers. Maybe you even love to do it yourself. But just like the friend who thinks he can rewire a house or repair a car engine without any prior experience, we believe there are risks to investing on one's own. Online brokers have opened new doors for small-time traders, lowering commissions and expanding access to trading instruments that used to be reserved for experienced investors, those with money to lose. With some of the riskier doors wide open, everyday folks may face huge consequences. Derivative investments can easily be wiped out, and margin traders may find themselves owing more than they put in. We focus on traditional equity investing here, owning pieces of real companies. There are no guarantees, but we make sure that we are not steering clients into inappropriate investments, a protection not afforded to do-it-yourselfers online. We strive to lay everything out on the table and make sure people understand what they're getting into. Clients, you know what I'm talking about. Stop in and see us at 228main.com, online or on Main.